Here are 5 new features in Windows 10. Number 5. Scrolling stuff. Before Windows 10, if you wanted to scroll a page with your mouse's scroll wheel, you had to first activate the window and then scroll the window with your mouse. With Windows 10, this is no longer necessary. Just move your mouse where you want to scroll and start scrolling your mouse wheel. As you can see, whatever is underneath your mouse pointer will scroll. No need to activate your windows anymore. Number 4. Transparent Commander. In Windows 10, you can turn your command line console transparent. To do that, just right-click on the command line window and click Properties, and then click on Colors and change the transparency. As you can see, you can make the command line window transparent in real time. Number 3. Snapping stuff. Windows 7 allowed you to snap 2 windows side by side, but Windows 10 takes it even further by allowing you to snap all 4 windows in all 4 corners. Like so. There! 4 is better than 2. But we're not done here. No siree. If you snap 2 windows side by side in Windows 10, in Windows 7 you have to resize one window at a time. Windows 10 allows you to resize both windows together. Isn't that awesome? Look at this. Number 2. Screenshot Timer. Windows 7 brought forth the snipping tool to the world, but Windows 10 updates it by allowing you to have a selfie timer. Actually, just a regular timer. Just set 3 seconds or any other seconds you want, up to 5, and let's take a full screen snap. This gives me 3 seconds to set up the window just like I want, just like a selfie, and then takes a picture. As you can see, it gave me enough time to open up the start menu and then take a picture. Awesome! And before you get to our number 1, just want to remind you to like and subscribe for more like this. And number 1 is Emoji Keyboard. To get the Emoji Keyboard, just right click on your taskbar and enable Show Touch Keyboard button. Click on that, and then you have this awesome keyboard button right beside your clock. Once you open the keyboard, click on the smiley face here and you'll see all the emojis you could ever want. Let's add some emojis. Yeah, there you go. Lots of cool emojis. I'm going to send all of these emojis. Yes, all of these emojis. A lot more. There you go. From here, from there, from all over here. Yeah, that's a lot. I'm going to select all. Control C, Control V, 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 V. Oh yeah, a lot of emojis. Woohoo! There you go. That's a lot of emojis. I like it.